So I am out here early in the morning. We've got Bubbles, Bella, and I wanted to come out here and I was going to go harvest some smoothie greens, but I noticed that there were some rabbits right there and they were eating around the perimeter of the garden. So I'm going to zoom you on in so you can see what they're looking like. Well, that is all for the bunnies today. They were out here early in the morning, and I wanted to make sure and share that little moment with you. Erica really likes them. I enjoy them as long as they stay out of the garden, which they're just eating around the perimeter, eating those that clover and whatever around the perimeter. So that works out good. So they can stay for long. They're running around there, but yep. So. All right, Plant-Based Gabriel here on the 1 Acre Vegan Farm. Remember to check out one of those playlists with some more recipes, some more videos on the farm. And if you haven't heard it already, I love you. It's early, excuse me. I love you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. See ya.